Rising global temperatures, a phenomenon that emerged from the late 19th century, have become one of the most significant environmental challenges of the modern era. The earliest records indicate that since the mid-20th century, Earth's average surface temperature has increased by about 0.8 degrees Celsius compared to pre-industrial levels, IPCC 2013. This warming trend is attributed primarily to human activities such as deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Kuti et al. 20 et al. 2016. Over time, these temperature increases have led to a series of measurable impacts. For instance, from 1980 to 2019, global sea levels rose by approximately 15 centimeters due to thermal expansion and melting glaciers. Turner et al. 2020. This rise has resulted in an increase of about 3 million square kilometers of coastal land becoming submerged annually. Halpern et al. 2018. The consequences have been far-reaching. In terms of economic impact, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, estimates that climate change could lead to a loss of global GDP between 5% and 40% by 2050, depending on the extent of emissions reduction efforts. Nakasenovic et al. 2001. However, measures such as renewable energy adoption and carbon capture have proven effective in mitigating some adverse effects. For example, the use of solar power grew exponentially from less than 1% of global electricity generation in 2004 to over 6% by 2017. IRENA, 2018. While these advancements offer hope for a sustainable future, significant challenges remain. The United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP26 in 2021, saw countries commit to reducing carbon emissions and phasing out fossil fuels, aiming for net zero by the middle of this century, IPCC 2021. Despite these global commitments, achieving such targets will require substantial international cooperation and technological innovation. Future projections suggest that if current trends continue without significant intervention, temperatures could rise by more than 3 degrees Celsius by 2050 compared to pre-industrial levels. This scenario would likely exacerbate the risks posed by sea level rise, extreme weather events, and biodiversity loss. IPCC 2018. However, with concerted efforts towards sustainability and climate resilience strategies, it is possible to curb these outcomes, ensuring a habitable planet for future generations. Future AI-informed improvements could include more sophisticated models predicting regional impacts based on specific local conditions, alongside the development of new technologies that either reduce emissions or adapt ecosystems to changing climatic patterns. Additionally, enhanced communication platforms will be crucial in disseminating climate science and mobilizing global action towards a sustainable path.